this Bible story, the temptation of Christ, people ask me, why do you even use the Bible? It's not even real. Neither is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. What about Hansel and Gretel? What is the point of reading? So you can learn something and apply it. That is the point. Now, what happened? Now, allegedly in this story, Jesus went out into the desert, to clear his mind and to focus and to collect his thoughts and so on and so forth. And the devil, an adversary, challenged him in 3 areas. And those are the 3 areas we're challenged in every single day, if you think about it. He said, well, why don't you turn these rocks into bread? Turn these stones into bread. Turn these stones into bread. Isn't that interesting? Man's got to eat. Right? Man's got to eat. And look at us every day. Worried about where our meals will come from. And this quote-unquote devil, it's just the way we speak to ourselves. Well, how are you going to eat? How are you going to pay your bills? You don't have anybody to look after you. Remember, Neville Goddard says, you don't need anybody to assist you. But anybody who's required to assist you will be there to assist you. So you see, the reminder is this. When you're faced with the temptation to worry about where your next meal is coming from, remember what you are and what you are capable of. Remember that. We have the ability to call those things that are not as though they were and watch them become.